We only need 2 of these. This is going to go around here. I've got to loosen it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. You want to get this so it's wide open, right? Then what we're going to do is we're going to take it. We're just going to slide it on like that. We're going to get it right up to about this first rung, just like that. Now, what we've got to do is we've got to get it on there and then tighten it down. So that's our next move. So this, we want to get it straight, slide it on, get it slid in there, good. And then we're going to get our holder right about there, and we're going to get our screw on it. And now I'm just going to tighten it. And that's going to pull in, and it's going to tighten that sucker in there. And this should be a much stronger vent. You want to get it nice and tight and snug so it doesn't come off. All right, so now we're on there, good. So we can pull it. We're going to pull on it so it's not coming off, so we know it's good. Pulling on it, it's nice and tight. So now what I got to do is I got to hook it onto here, and then it should be good. I'm going to have to pull this back a little bit. I think you're going to get a ground view of this. So here's our pipe, and it's a little bit of a. So we want to pull it a little bit and flex it, and we're going to flex it to the side like this because I've got to go on here, right? So let me just turn this a little bit so you can see. That's why I'm flexing it, so I can get it on there. And first we're going to take this, we're going to loosen it up. We use this, and then this should slide right down it like that. We may need to loosen it just a little bit more. There we go. All right, now you got to put this on here before you get it on the around your pipe. Now we got to get up there. We got to put that baby on here. If it just doesn't want to go over this part here, because it's got a crease. There we go. All right, now we're good. All right, let's take a look up here. So now we got to get this over that. We're going to smush it all the way in there, so we're nice and tight. And now we got to screw that in there. So what we're going to, I think I'm going to do is I'm going to use my screw gun, because that would be quicker, right? So let's see if we can do it with the screw gun. Looks like it's working. Let's see if I can get in there. There we go. Nice and tight. That sucker is not coming off of there. All right, so now we're all hooked in. Gonna get all of our tools out of here. Try not to hit our head up on this thing. Okay, so a dryer is 240, so you got this big giant plug, and we're gonna hook it onto the dryer. There's a little plate in the back. You gotta unscrew a little nut and pull the plate off, and underneath there is where you hook everything together. I've slid this through here. We're going to put the top one here, here, and here. Make sure that you don't have it plugged in. Otherwise, you could kill yourself. And this is pretty simple. It's pretty fast. Okay, so we got to get our first one in there. So we're going to put this through there. We got to get it right in that little hole there. And then we're just going to go ahead and screw it in. Very simple. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. You want to get it too tight. You want to get it in there. Bam. One. Next one. Got to get the ground on it too. So we got to get that in there. Put that right on there. It's done. We got one more. Push that through there. Get her on there. I don't know if you can see it. It's basically just 3 Phillips head screwdrivers. I mean, 3 Phillips heads. So that's in. Your ground, center, and you get your 2 120s, that's 240. And then it comes over here, and that's where this port slides in. So we want to make sure that none of this is touching any of the metal, which it isn't. It's all on those blocks. So then we're going to come in here. We're going to slide that in there, and we're just going to push this baby over there. And then we got to feed this nut in here, just like that. If I can get it in the hole. So we can just Phillips head it in there. All right, so now we should be good on our electrical. Hopefully we don't kill ourselves. All right, and that's how you hook up the electrical. Pretty simple. And there's your plug, and that goes right into your plug up there. We're gonna test it out in a minute. Oh yeah, it looks like it's good. And you do not want to get your fingers on that.
I shocked myself the other day putting something in.
Did you really? Yeah. This is 240. All right, that's cool.
240 is actually better to get hit by than 120.
Oh.
240 will shoot you off of it. 120 will suck you in.
What will it do?
240 will jump you off. 120 will suck you in.
Oh, I don't want to. Would you rather get sucked in or jumped off? So that's still in there, didn't come out. And over here, we're looking good too. And that is the plug is plugged in there. We're just gonna go here and just see if it works. All right, looking good. Thing is working. It's coming out of there pretty good. All right, lots of air. Good, perfect. That's how you do it. Turn it off. Bam. Mom's got a new GE dryer. Sweet.